What's up, you guys? This is my HATHASPACE Air Purifier, and this is an excellent product to keep your air clean. So this is a HEPA filter that can clear up to 700 square feet in 1 hour. You can do more than that, it'll just take a little bit longer. So first up, let's open it up. Let me show you the filter. This is a nice magnetic part right here, so it's very easy to take in and out. And then here you can see there is actually a 4-stage filter in here. So it comes in 2 parts. So we have right here, we have the carbon filter, which is covered by a pre-filter. So the pre-filter will collect hair and dust and bigger particles. And then we have the carbon filter. And this will bind to gaseous pollutants like formaldehyde. And then we have another pre-filter here that is right in front of the HEPA filter. And this is what will bind to smaller pollutants like dust, allergens, and bacteria. And then here you can see the fan. So it actually has these little catch mechanisms that we can put right here, and it'll lock us in right there. So these filters are very easy to replace. On average, they can last about a year or more, just depending on how dirty your house is, how often you run it. They're very easy to find on Amazon and affordable, easy to replace. Operation is very simple. We actually have remote controls that come with this, or you can use these nice tactile buttons on here. So when it's plugged in, it's red to show you that it's plugged in but not on. You turn it on right here. So right here you can see the actual air quality. That is useful on auto mode. Auto will run the fan based on the air quality level until it's nice and clean. We can adjust the timer right here. So this will go all the way up to 12 hours. It actually has 30-minute increments, which I've never seen another air purifier with that. We can turn the display on or off. We can manually set the speed of the fan. Go all the way up to auto. This button actually turns on an ionizer, which will bind to different odors in the air. So I've also never seen an air purifier that is specifically has a setting to fight odors. So that's really cool. We have sleep mode right here, which will actually dim the display until it's all the way off and keep it nice and quiet so it won't wake you up. I've taken off my microphone so we can hear how loud it is. So on 1, it is almost inaudible. 2, it makes a little bit more noise. 3 gets kind of loud. I would still rate this as a quieter air purifier compared to some of the others I've tested. Some pro tips for you guys. So you actually want to keep your air purifier on the ground if possible. This is because pollutants in the air are actually heavier, so they settle lower to the ground, so that'll make it more efficient. You can also make these work better by placing them in a high traffic area. So in a hallway, by a doorway where you have people walking by, and this will actually help to stir up the air and bring more pollutants up for this to purify it. I also like to turn on my ceiling fan with the air purifier on, and what that'll do is it'll whip up all the different pollutants collecting on your furniture, sitting under tables, all the dust that's sitting around. It'll get it up into the air, making it easier for your air purifier to collect it. You actually do not want to stuff these in a corner. You want to leave at least 18 inches from a wall. This will allow it that circulation so that it can collect air more efficiently.